How to auto-cut video clips in CapCut on your PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to auto-cut video clips in CapCut on your PC. This feature is super handy for everyone during your editing process, so let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to open up CapCut. Once you're in the CapCut, you need to simply go ahead and click on Create Project over here. Once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and then you need to click on drag drop videos, photos and audio file here. Simply go ahead and click on that. Now you need to go ahead and choose the video clip that you want to auto cut. Once you have done that, you need to simply drag the video clip to the timeline. Now, if you want to auto cut the video clip, you need to simply go ahead and right click on the video. Once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and here you can see the split scenes option. So you need to go ahead and click on split scenes. Once you have done that, you can see that the cut has been made in the several parts of the video. Whenever there is transitions or whenever there is an opening from one window to another, you can see that the video has been cut. And that's it. You now know how to add auto cut feature on your CapCut video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.